Hi and welcome to my first Star Wars CCG video. It took much longer to make this video than I thought because I got really invested in Flesh and Blood and Lord of the Ring CCG or TCG. But this actually was the product that made me realize I wanted to start a channel and make unboxings, because I found this local in Sweden, not in a perfect shape as you might see, like it's really opened and bent and all that and like non-sealed, but it still is a display full of an old 95 production from the Star Wars CCG, and it's like premiere and this limited edition. It's not unlimited, I think. Let's see. No, limited edition. So I will actually be quite slowly with this. This is not going to be one video. I'm gonna make actually one video for each, basically, just be able to like savor this experience. And like, I really like that they have display, because you're like, oh, like, let's go to the Star Wars CCG shop and pull a starter deck and see what we can get. And well, these starter decks, or what do we call them? They were not constructed decks. They were more of like light side cards, dark side cards, 2 rares. So not that many. But opening this guy, interesting to see. And if you guys were playing back then, I kind of missed it because I play Magic. How did you guys use these products? Were you like, let's get one each and make decks out of it? Or it's like for drafting format or sealed formats? How were you using these products? Or just, I want to boost my collection. I just instinct to find out how they were like product wise, what was their intention. Let's see here. Oh, amazing to have like the inner plastic sleeves and stuff like. Oh, a Donna and the Donna. And as I think I remember it, the rares are on each side of the rulebook, I think. Not actually sure. And since I haven't played, oh, it's so fresh. It smells like old type cards. It's a really nice feeling. And I have a big collection of commons and uncommons and rares too, which I bought. So I don't have all the cards. I have a lot of cards, but I have played I played with this twice, basically. So I'm really like early on in my Star Wars CCG knowledge and collecting and all that. Let's see here, mouse. But as I understand it, I think I'm gonna open this one as it is, and then you guys will tell me if you want me to pull out the rares on the side and all that. Probably I will. Full scale alert, Commander Prey, Ellis Harlot, and we have a Cantina. All right. So that was. So they are structured kinda combined. We have our deck box and we have Mayo as our, is it rare? I'm not sure, I think it is. And a collision, that's not a rare. Droid, Java, Lift Tube, Good Words, Malak, Rebel Guards. I have a nice, it's like a print, like a stretch mark or mark above the cards. Interesting. Fusion, Rebel Barrier, Tatooine, Surprise Assault. I got a bad feeling about this. Don't gonna pronounce. Radar Scanner, Combined Attacks, Old Ben, Yavin 4, Tals, Yavin 4 Dark Side, Stick, Java, Stormtrooper, Timer, Banish, RM Scout, Counter Assault, Tatooine, Box, Attack, Tatooine, Utility, Overload, Imperial, Tatooine, the 9000, Straining Bolt, Barrier, and Talonroll. Okay, I actually have to check out. I think Mayo is the one that are the rare in this pack, but I didn't. I thought it were more clear for me which they were. Then I realized now they weren't. Let's see if I have the card database here. Nice to have to go to the database while looking here, and I have it not saved at least. Classic. Right, let's see here. Cards, Premiere, and we go for it's Mayo the rare. Mayo. He is a rare number 2, so it's more frequent than well, a rare. This is like in the early Magic as well. You had like how many times they were like recurring on a print sheet. So rare 2 was 2 times, rare 1 was the more rare ones, and the same with uncommons, and I think also with commons. And then we have let's see which other rare is. It can't be the collision. Okay, you guys tell me which was the other rare I found in this one. Which was the light side rare. Didn't stand out to me. I don't think it's Old Ben. I hope not. And well, interesting that I didn't really even get to understand like which is the second rare in this starter. So it's a strong start for my first opening, but yeah, we'll have many times to pull out our Falcons and Vaders, and this box is gonna go destroy soon, but yeah, I will be back with more. Thanks a lot, and this is the start of the Star Wars CCG, and yeah, much more to come. Thanks a lot.